Neem tree, the tree with innumerable uses. In the Ayurveda world, neem is a well known herb that is the key player in different traditional remedies. Having more than 130 varied biological active compounds, the herb is an antibacterial, antiviral, and immunostimulant. All the parts of the neem tree are bitter, but there is an exception with the flowers. The flowers are very pretty and they are edible and they have a lot of therapeutic uses. In Telugu, we call them as Vepapulu, and these flowers are generally more in the season, in the spring season, and they can be collected, shade dried for one day, and then later they can be dried completely until the moisture is removed. So, in the we have several uses with the flowers where we can prepare with them the rasam, the spice powders, and we can garnish them also. The neem flowers are mainly used for the Ugadi Pachadi, but these flowers can be again dried and they can be used year long because they have several uses, like they are the blood purifiers and they are used for treating the nausea, anorexia, and also several disorders like the skin disorders also. So if we come to the preparation of the spice powders, first we have to take a kadai into which small quantity of oil is added, and we can add the chana dal and later on the garlic. Lightly we have to sort it until they have turned to light brown. We can also add a small quantity of salt according to our taste. Then we can even add the dry chilies. So the dry addition of dry chilies is also according to your choice. Then even a small quantity of tamarind can also be added to this. Small quantity of tamarind and jeera can also be jeera, that is cumin, is also added to enhance the taste. So here we are adding the jeera and small quantity of tamarind. So there are several uses with the neem leaves also. Neem leaves can be used for the skin diseases. They can be relieved from the insect bites and so on. But the only edible part, apart from the fruits, is the flowers, where we can add them, convert them into powders, and we can also drink them with honey. So, since the season for these flowers is only a brief period, it is always apt to collect them in the season. So, here we can see the dried flowers, they can be added, and again they can be lightly sorted. So, this bitterness is also according to your taste buds, you can add more or less. Then later on, you can grind them coarsely or finely as you wish, and you can, this is the powder which is finally ready.